And I found, after many years of research, that there's an energy field that does interconnect the body, DNA, and biofields in aging. The researchers who were trying to capture and study it for more than 40 years, and they found it to be very elusive, so they called it subtle energy. Normally, this type of subtle energies are associated with the human body or some kind of life form, like chi, ki, or prana, or the names that are given to it. I've been able to show that this type of subtle energy can exist independent of living things. There's a video on the website that talks about electrodermal value testing. And that's done by measuring the galvanic skin response measurements at the hands and putting into the circuitry of the machine Ageless Secret. And you can see that the levels, the energy levels, the readings go up higher with the presence of the Ageless Secret in the energy field. So what that does is that causes, when the Ageless Secret contacts the skin, that causes a tightening effect to occur. We also have laboratory tests to show that the Ageless Secret can expand water. I proved it myself in my own lab, and I had it validated by an independent lab.
When he's telling me that he's getting this effect, it just made no sense. So I thought, well, it's probably worth looking into. So that's when I researched it.
For the first time in the history of science, have been able to capture and bottle that kind of energy in such a large amount that it allows the products to be made on a commercial scale. These photos are taken 5 years apart. Here you're seeing the example of a progressive change. There's no surgery here. There's no fillers here. There's no harsh chemical treatments. The Ageless Secret works at the energy level and produces a skin tightening, lifting, toning, hydrating, and a plumping of the skin, and we have scientific tests to show that.
Jim saw it, the independent lab saw it, I saw it over and over again. So we're convinced that this is a real phenomenon, and we would welcome anybody else to check it for themselves.
Every cell in your body is a little miniature battery, and as we age, the battery tends to run down. It doesn't take a full charge, and Ageless Secret helps recharge those batteries to full charge.
This is simply using the Ageless Secret as an energetic cosmetic that has been infused with this subtle energy that supports the body's built-in renewal. And here we can see what the changes look like on a person that's been using the product for 5 years.
The product has MSM in it, aloe and trace minerals. Aloe is very soothing, and then MSM is a flexibilizer. Will help to make your skin more flexible. And then you take those 3 ingredients and then you energize them. And you're using subtle energy, which is an organizing energy. And it's just taking these and taking them to the way next level.
So the Ageless Secret is a major scientific breakthrough because we now have, for the very first time, an energetic way to compensate for that loss of energy. We call it the Ageless Secret, the missing energy that lifts, plumps, and tightens skin. So this is an organic, energy-infused anti-aging formula.
I'm grateful to Jim for bringing this issue to me because I had never had any idea that this could be possible.